Hello, good morning, everyone. Today is another beautiful day. I hope you and your family are doing well. I'm going to be showing you guys what I usually eat for breakfast. So, let's get into it. Alrighty, so I'm going to be making spinach smoothie. So, I have a bowl of spinach. I want to put as much spinach as I can in there. And then I have one banana to give it the sweet taste. I also have organic blueberries. It's frozen, so I'm gonna be using that to get the coldness. Now those are frozen organic blueberries. Oops. I squish it in there so I can put more blueberries in there. Right, spinach, banana, blueberries, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water to help it blend. And I got my, ooh. We go ready to blend. And then I have my blender right there. Alrighty, so the smoothie is done. Banana, blueberries, and spinach. I have some black pepper smoothie. And I have my frying pan on there. I'm gonna be frying some eggs, omelette. And then I like to put onions in my eggs. As you can see, 2 eggs and onions. Just gonna whip it. And then I need grease to fry that. So I'm gonna be using it once again, avocado oil spray. What? I got enough grease to fry that. The temperature is enough to fry the eggs. So whilst it's frying, making avocado toast. So I have my avocados. And I have 1 slice of wheat bread. I like to eat a lot of avocados, especially if the avocado tastes good. So I took a bite of the avocados. So I put a little piece of butter on there, and then I'm just gonna spread it so I can toast the bread. And I don't have a toaster, so I toast the bread in my frying pan. After I fry the eggs, I put the bread in there and it toasts perfectly like in a toaster. You don't have to have all the appliances. You have to make it work. Yeah, that's enough. I'm just gonna do the same thing at the back. Yeah, that's also good to go. So now let's check on the eggs. The egg perfectly brown. I'm just gonna leave it on for like 30 seconds, and then it will be ready for the toast. It's ready to go. Look how yellow that egg is. Fold it. And then I'm gonna just throw the bread in there for it to toast. Just power the heat a little bit, and it will toast like I put it in a toaster. All right, let's check on the bread. Look, I'm gonna do the other side. See, the other side too is brown. I like my toast very crispy, so I'm gonna let it sit on there for another minute, and then I'll go ahead and pour the half that I'm gonna drink this morning, and then keep the rest in my lunch bag. That looks so good and healthy. And then I'm gonna put the half in my lunch bag to drink during the day. There you go, breakfast is served. Again, breakfast is served. The reason why I left the back of the avocado is to help me take a bite without using fork. This smoothie tastes so good. And then guys, what's your regular go-to breakfast? Would you try something like mine? What do you like to eat? Comment below, let me know. Do you all put onions or veggies in your omelette? I know some people like scrambled eggs. I don't like to intentionally scramble my eggs unless I wasn't able to flip it the right way. And then I'll go with scrambled eggs. But I always want my eggs to look like that. And sometimes I put tomatoes in there too. I just like to bite through the crispiness of the onions. That's why I put onions in my. This is Clean Eating November edition. Thank you so much for watching this.